Seville is a vibrant city in southern Spain, known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and lively culture. The city is famous for flamenco dancing, tapas, and its annual Feria de Abril April Fair. Seville's charming old town, with its narrow alleys and whitewashed buildings, is a blend of Moorish, Christian, and Jewish influences, making it a must-visit destination for travelers. Here are top 15 attractions and things to do in Seville. 1. Alcazar of Seville. The Alcazar of Seville and the historic royal palace in Seville, originally built in the 10th century by the Muslim dynasty of the Almohads. It is one of the finest examples of modern architecture, blending Islamic, Christian, Gothic, and Renaissance styles. The palace complex includes lush gardens, intricate tilework, and stunning courtyards. Originally a Moorish fort, it became the residence of Spanish royalty, and its beauty and historical significance have made it a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Alcazar is renowned for its elaborate decoration and is a popular tourist destination. Visit the ornate rooms, including the throne room and the Hall of Ambassadors. Wander through the lush, beautifully landscaped gardens with fountains and pavilions. 2. Seville Cathedral and La Giralda. The Seville Cathedral, also known as the Cathedral of St. Mary of the Sea, is the largest Gothic cathedral in the world and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Built in the 15th century on the site of a former mosque, it features stunning architecture, including intricate altarpieces and the tomb of Christopher Columbus. Adjacent to the cathedral stands La Giralda, a bell tower originally constructed as a minaret during the Almohad period. Today, La Giralda serves as a symbol of Seville, offering panoramic views of the city. Together, the cathedral and La Giralda are iconic landmarks of Seville's history and culture. 3. Plaza de España, Spain Square of Seville. Plaza de España, located in Seville's Maria Luisa Park, is a stunning semicircular plaza built for the Ibero-American Exposition of 1929. Designed by architect Aníbal González, it features a grand, Renaissance revival style with a large, curved building, a central fountain, and a canal with bridges. The plaza is adorned with colorful ceramic tiles representing different regions of Spain. Known for its architectural beauty and expansive size, Plaza de España is one of Seville's most iconic landmarks and a popular spot for visitors and photo opportunities. Stroll around the canal, walk along the canal, and cross the charming bridges, offering great photo opportunities. Discover the colorful ceramic tiles representing each Spanish province along the building's walls. 4. Santa Cruz District and Historical Center. The Santa Cruz District is one of the most charming and historic neighborhoods in Seville, known for its narrow, winding streets, whitewashed buildings, and picturesque courtyards. Once the city's Jewish quarter, it is rich in history and filled with beautiful squares, such as Plaza de los Venerables, and landmarks like the Corso de Pilatos. The historical center of Seville encompasses a blend of architectural styles, from Roman ruins to Moorish, Gothic, and Renaissance influences. It is home to key attractions, including Seville Cathedral, the Alcazar, and the Archivo de Indias, offering a vibrant mix of culture, history, and tradition. The area is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, drawing visitors for its lively atmosphere, historic charm, and cultural significance. 5. Italica Santibonce. Italica is an ancient Roman city located near the modern town of Santibonce, just outside Seville. Founded in 206 BCE, Italica was the birthplace of the Roman emperors Trajan and Hadrian. The city is known for its well-preserved ruins, including a large amphitheatre, impressive mosaics, and the remnants of homes and public buildings. Italica offers a glimpse into Roman urban life and is a popular archaeological site showcasing the grandeur of Roman architecture and engineering. It was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site as part of the archaeological ensemble of Italica. Explore the amphitheatre. Visit the well-preserved Roman amphitheatre, once hosting gladiator games, with seats for up to 25,000 spectators. See the stunning Roman mosaics that decorate the floors of ancient villas and public spaces. 6. Metropole Parasol, Setas de Sevilla. Metropole Parasol, also known as Setas de Sevilla Mushrooms of Seville, is a striking wooden structure located in La Encarnacion Square. Designed by architect Jürgen Meyer, it was completed in 2011 and is one of the largest wooden constructions in the world. The parasol consists of 6 large, interconnected canopies that resemble giant mushrooms, providing shade and a modern contrast to the surrounding historic city. Visitors can explore the structure's elevated walkway, offering panoramic views of Seville, and visit the attached archaeological museum and plaza beneath it. 7. Corsa de Pilatos. Corsa de Pilatos is a stunning mansion in Seville, blending Renaissance, Gothic and Medieval architectural styles. Built in the 16th century, it served as the home of the Dukes of Medinaceli. The house is known for its beautiful courtyards, intricate tilework, and impressive collection of art and antiques. It also features elements inspired by classical Roman and Islamic designs. Corsa de Pilatos is considered one of the most important and well-preserved examples of aristocratic Sevillian architecture, offering a glimpse into the city's rich cultural heritage. 8. Triana District. Triana is a vibrant and historic district of Seville, located across the Guadalquivir River. Known for its traditional Andalusian charm, Triana is famous for its ceramic workshops, lively flamenco culture, and picturesque streets. It was once home to Seville's pottery industry and still boasts many ceramic shops. The district also features the iconic Triana Bridge and offers a mix of lively tapas bars, historic landmarks like the Castillo de San Jorge, and a rich cultural atmosphere. Triana is a popular spot for both locals and tourists, embodying the heart of Seville's artistic and cultural life. Visit the Castillo de San Jorge. Explore the ruins of this medieval castle, once home to the city's pottery industry. Located near the Triana Bridge, stroll along the Guadalquivir River. Enjoy a walk along the riverbank with beautiful views of Seville and the iconic Triana Bridge. Explore the Mercado de Triana. Wander through this lively market offering fresh produce, local foods, and artisan goods. 9. Plaza de Toros. The Plaza de Toros de Sevilla, also known as the Real Maestranza de Caballeria de Sevilla, is one of the most famous and historic bullrings in Spain. Located in Seville, it dates back to 1761 and is renowned for its stunning Baroque architecture. The arena hosts major bullfighting events, particularly during the annual Seville Fair, Feria de Abril and San Miguel Fair. The Maestranza is considered a symbol of Andalusian culture and bullfighting heritage, attracting both tourists and aficionados. Its museum displays a rich collection of bullfighting memorabilia, highlighting its cultural significance. 10. Plaza Nueva. Plaza Nueva is a central square in Seville, located near the city's historic district. It was originally established in the 16th century and has since become a bustling hub for both locals and tourists. The square is surrounded by notable buildings, including the City Hall Ayuntamiento and several cafes and shops. Plaza Nueva is known for its wide, open space, and its proximity to Seville's major landmarks, making it a key point of interest in the city. It serves as a lively gathering spot and an important transport hub in Seville. 11. Torre del Oro. The Torre del Oro Tower of Gold is a historic military watchtower located along the Guadalquivir River in Seville. Built in the early 13th century during the Almohad dynasty, it was originally part of the city's defensive walls. The tower's name is believed to come from the golden reflections of the river on its walls. Today, it houses a maritime museum showcasing Seville's naval history. The Torre del Oro is one of the city's most iconic landmarks, offering panoramic views of the river and the surrounding area. Visit the Maritime Museum. Explore the museum inside the tower, which showcases Seville's maritime history, including navigation tools and ship models. Climb to the top for views. Enjoy panoramic views of the Guadalquivir River, Seville, and the surrounding areas from the tower's top. 12. Palacio de las Dueñas. The Palacio de las Dueñas is a historic palace located in Seville, originally built in the late 15th century. It combines Gothic, Medieval, Renaissance, and Baroque architectural styles. The palace was the residence of several prominent noble families and played a significant role in Seville's social and political life. Its name, Palacio de las Dueñas, Palace of the Ladies, comes from the fact that it was once inhabited by women of noble lineage, particularly the Duchess of Alba, in the 19th century. The palace features beautifully landscaped gardens, elegant courtyards, and a remarkable collection of art and antiques. It is a stunning example of Andalusian aristocratic heritage and remains open to the public as a museum. 13. Jardins de Murillo. Jardins de Murillo is a beautiful public park in Seville, located near the historic Santa Cruz neighborhood. The gardens were created in the 19th century and are named after the famous Spanish painter Bartolomé Esteban Murillo, whose work is celebrated in the city. The park features lush greenery, fountains, and peaceful walkways, offering a tranquil escape in the heart of Seville. It is a popular spot for both locals and tourists, providing scenic views and a relaxing atmosphere, with several historic monuments nearby. Wander along the tree-lined paths, enjoying the lush greenery and peaceful atmosphere. Enjoy the beautiful fountains scattered throughout the gardens, adding to the serene environment. 14. Museo de Bellas Artes. The Museo de Bellas Artes Museum of Fine Arts in Seville is one of Spain's most important art museums. Housed in a former 16th century convent, it showcases an extensive collection of Spanish art from the Middle Ages to the 20th century. The museum is particularly renowned for its works by Baroque masters such as Murillo, Velázquez, and Zurbarán, along with notable pieces from other periods. It is a major cultural landmark in Seville, offering visitors a deep dive into the city's rich artistic heritage. See works by Murillo, marvel at masterpieces by Seville's own Bartolomé Esteban Murillo, a highlight of the museum's collection. Discover religious-themed paintings and sculptures from the Renaissance and Baroque periods. Relax in the museum's beautiful central courtyard, featuring classical arches and sculptures. 15. Basilica de la Macarena. The Basilica de la Macarena in Seville, a prominent religious site, famous for housing the revered statue of Nuestra Señora de la Macarena, the city's patron saint. Built in the 18th century, the basilica is a key destination for pilgrims and visitors, particularly during Seville's Holy Week Semana Santa, when the statue is paraded through the streets. The basilica features impressive Baroque architecture, and is a symbol of Seville's deep religious traditions and cultural heritage. With its warm climate, rich heritage, and passionate atmosphere, Seville offers an unforgettable Spanish experience.